Hello and welcome to another episode of Ask DETS. In today's session, we'll explore the latest trends in learning and development for 2023. My name is Debbie Baldwin, and I'm the Learning and Development Manager at Deep End Talent Strategies. I'm joined today by our instructional designer, Jessie Klein. We're both so excited to share our insights and predictions for the year ahead. Here's what we'll cover today. First, we'll provide an overview of the current state of the learning and development industry. Then, we'll explore the impact of technology on learning and development and discuss emerging trends for 2023. Finally, we'll cover best practices for creating effective learning experiences in the digital age. Let's start with a quick overview of the current state of learning in the industry. Jessie?
The learning and development industry is rapidly evolving, with a growing emphasis on creating engaging and personalized learning experiences. In 2021, the global e-learning market was valued at $180 billion and is projected to reach $325 billion in 2025. And 64% of organizations said that learning and development shifted from nice to have to need to have in the last couple of years. This is driven by the changing nature of work, where employees need to continuously upskill and reskill to stay relevant in today's rapidly changing job market.
That's right. And one of the biggest drivers of this change has been technology. Technology has been a game changer for the learning and development industry, allowing organizations to access high-quality learning experiences at an affordable cost.
In 2021, it was reported that 94% of companies used technology-based learning solutions. From cloud-based learning management systems to virtual reality training, technology has opened up new opportunities for organizations to support their employees' development.
And as technology continues to evolve, we're seeing even more exciting trends and innovations emerging in the learning and development field. In 2023, we expect to see a growing emphasis on micro-learning, with a projected growth of 25% in the use of bite-sized learning content. Performance support is also expected to be a key trend, with companies investing in tools and resources to provide just-in-time learning to employees in their workflow.
Additionally, the development of soft skills such as emotional intelligence and leadership is expected to increase by 20% in 2023. There will also be a greater focus on diversity, equity, and inclusion in the workplace, with a predicted 30% increase in organizations offering DEI training programs.
And another big trend we're seeing is the increasing emphasis on personalization. With the rise of AI and machine learning, learning and development programs can now be tailored to the individual needs and preferences of learners. Personalized learning is more engaging and effective, and it's a trend that's here to stay.
And we can't forget about the growing importance of virtual and augmented reality in learning and development. Virtual and augmented reality provide new and innovative ways to engage learners and bring content to life. The use of these technologies is expected to continue growing in 2023 and beyond.
And now, let's talk about the impact of AI on learning and development. According to the World Economic Forum, AI has the potential to transform the way we work, including the way we learn and develop. AI can be used to personalize training, provide real-time feedback and support, and even automate certain training tasks.
But it's important to remember that AI should be used to enhance, not replace, human interaction and instruction. AI is a tool that can help us deliver better and more effective learning experiences, but it should never replace the human touch.
So next, let's talk about best practices. To truly take advantage of these trends and innovations, it's important to follow best practices for creating effective learning experiences in the digital age. It's crucial to understand your learners and their needs through data-driven approaches. In 2023, it's expected that 80% of organizations will use data analytics to inform their learning and development strategies. This information can then be used to create personalized learning experiences that cater to the specific needs of your organization.
Additionally, it's important to create engaging and interactive experiences, with research showing that interactive content has a 70% higher retention rate compared to passive content. Finally, it's important to use technology in ways that support and enhance the learning process, such as gamification and virtual reality.
So this has been a lot of information, and we know that it can be overwhelming. But DETS is here to help. Here to Learn is our one-stop, affordable online training solution with a library of over 3,000 courses built to house, deliver, and track training content. It features gamification, learning paths, and customization with lots of options to choose from for your DEI and soft skill training.
We've designed H2L to be easy to use for learners and affordable for organizations. Our online learning platform starts at just $18 per user per month. If you'd like to learn how H2L and Deep End Talent Strategies can help your organization reach your learning and development goals, contact us at hello@deependstrategies.com.
And finally, we have a secret to share with you. So in this webinar, we talked about the effect of technology on the field of learning and development, including the effect of AI. Well, we decided to test those capabilities by using it to develop the script for today's webinar. So how did it go? Well, it was a really great place to start, but it did need tweaks and refinement before it was ready for prime time. Again, AI is just a tool, and it shouldn't replace the human touch.
That concludes our overview of the latest trends and best practices in learning and development for 2023. We hope you found this webinar informative and inspiring, and we thank you for joining us today and hope you have a great day.